Hey everybody, my name is Chris.Buystedt. I'm at Guaranty RV in Junction City and really excited to show you a wonderful trailer that just came in. It's a 2021 271 RL by Heritage Glen. It's a Forest River product, and I'm telling you right now, the layout in this thing is absolutely gorgeous. For a lot of people who want more of a fifth wheel feel and maybe layout without having a fifth wheel, that's what you get with this. It's around 8,000 pounds dry, so you don't have to have a monster truck to pull it. And it is chock full of incredible options, and the interiors are beautiful. I can't wait to show you on the inside. Let's take a look. So when people walk into a Heritage Glen trailer, usually the first thing that I hear is wow or I love it. The oohs and ahs also following those statements. The interiors in here are very nice. They do a very nice job with the textiles. You're going to notice a beautiful herringbone floor, which is, by the way, Shaw flooring, which is a good brand. You're going to notice beautiful valances. All the upholstery in here is more of a marine grade style upholstery, so it's pet friendly, family friendly, spill proof, durable, and quite beautiful and comfortable as well. This is a rear living model, so if you start in the back, you're going to see windows everywhere from your dining all the way around your sofa area. Lots of visibility, so when you back into the camping spot, you'll be able to see the river, the lake, ocean, what have you. It's all going to be out there in panoramic view. One of the things people really love is that you have a nice conversation area between the sofa and the theater seating. This theater seating faces the TV and a beautiful electric fireplace. The TV has a theater system in it. It's by Jensen, so you have your AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD, DVD, Blu-ray, and speakers hooked up to a nice Jensen TV as well, and visible to all the people who are sitting in those areas. And this couch is really comfortable, but it is also a pull-out, so it's like a hide-a-bed, so you can sleep a few adults there comfortably, which is really nice. So moving right along into the kitchen, people love the fact that there's separation of space, and so your living room is at the back. In the middle here is your kitchen. You have a beautiful dinette that seats four, storage underneath, makes into a bed. The light over the top and beautiful windows on the side, where you can look out while you're eating breakfast or having lunch, whatever. You do have a big island. It gives you extra storage, extra counter space, which is so nice. Big farmhouse sink and a drying rack. All these countertops are a composite, so they're not laminates. You're not going to have a problem with them peeling. They're very durable and hard. They're going to last a long time, but they're also lightweight, which is really key, because this trailer is meant for you not to have a monster truck to pull it, yet it's huge on the inside. You notice there's double slide outs, so it gives you so much room on the inside. And walking around the island, you're going to notice a 3-burner cook stove, a nice oven. You've got an actual pot and pan drawer underneath the oven, which is a great idea, and you don't see that very often. A really nice Furrion hood range combo with the microwave as well. Plenty of counter space. It's deep counter space too. You got a place to put a coffee pot or a toaster, whatever, in there. A nice refrigerator freezer by Dometic with easy pull handles. And then you've got this little kind of a hutch type situation, a place where you can put maybe your drinkware, your dishes, all the things that you would serve with. And you've got kind of a buffet type table here with plug-ins and USB controllers, so people could put devices there, or Instapots, things like that they would want to have out. There's just a lot of counter space here with extra storage underneath. Moving right along into the bathroom, you're going to see a really nice bathroom with a walk-in shower. You're going to notice that there is nice cabinetry and places to put things, a sink, a nice skylight inside there. It's really just a perfect little bathroom for you. Right next to the master bedroom, which people love the fact that you've got this barnwood look in the back with the big window overlooking the bed. big shirt closets and storage up over top with reading lamps, USB chargers, everything that you would want behind closed door. It's a private bedroom, queen size bed with storage underneath it. And one of the things that people love is when they find out that it actually has a bedroom closet and a place where you can put a lot more hanging items, especially things like bigger coats and things that maybe take up a little more space. What a wonderful trailer. I think that this is a floor plan that would fit most couples very nicely, especially if they, from time to time, might be thinking about bringing somebody camping with them and they want a place where they can sleep as well. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation of this trailer. I think it would be a really excellent choice. I would love to show it to you in person. Please give me a call. My number is 541-636-7878. Again, ask for Chris, and we will see what we can do to get you camping.